This video consists of slokas 1 to 5 of Dashaka 18 of Narayaniyam, which is Prithu Chakravarti Charitam. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Sri Guruvayurappa Sharanam. जातस्य ध्रुवकुल एव तुङ्गकीर्तेः अङ्गस्य व्यजनिसुधस्सवेन नाम यद्दोषव्यदितमतिसराजवर्यः त्वत्पादे निहितमना वनं गतोऽभूत्. तुङ्गकीर्तेः अङ्गस्य, to the king named Anga of great fame, Jadasya Dhruvakule eva, who was born in the lineage of Dhruva itself, Vejani Sudaha sa Venanamana, was born the son named Vena. Yad dosha vedida madihi sa Rajavaryaha, saddened by his son Vena's evil deeds, that noble king, Tvatpade Nihidamana Vanagadaha Abodh, with his mind fixed on your lotus feet, took to the forest. Meaning, in the line of Dhruva was the very famous king Anga, whose son was Vena. Distressed at the evil nature of his son, the noble king took to the forest with his mind fixed on your lotus feet alone. पापो वीक्षिदितलपालनाय वेनः पौराद्यैः उपनिहितकठोरवीर्यः सर्वेभ्यो निजबलमेव सम्प्रशंसन् पूचक्रे तव यजनान् अयं न्यरौसीद. Pabaha Avi, though evil-minded, Venaha Pauradehi Upanihidaha. Vena was made the king by the leading citizens. Shidhi Tala Palanaya, for the governors of the country. Khadora Viryaha Bhuchakre, being of very tough great powers. Bhuchakre, all over the earth. Samprashamsan Sarvebhya Nijabalameva. He was boasting around all over the world of his might alone, and Ayamnarosil, even he prohibited Tava Yajananija, the sacrifices to thee. Also, Vena started prohibiting. Meaning, though evil-minded, Vena, who was of great and tough powers, was made the king by the leading citizens for the governors of the country. He always boasted around of his strength and prohibited the practices of all forms of worship, sacrifices, etc. And सम्प्राप्ते हितकथनाय तापसौखे मत्तोऽन्यो भुवनपतिर्न कश्चनेदि तन्निन्दावचनपरो मुनीश्वरैस्तैः शापाघ्नौ शलभदशामनायिवेनः. Tapasa, okay, when a group of sages Samprapte approached him, Hidayakathanaya, to advise him in regard to right conduct, Vena, Tvat Ninda Vachanaparaha, indulging in defaming thee, Matta Anya Bhuvanapadi Na Kashalidi, saying that other than me there is no God on the earth. Due to this, Vena, Shalabhadasham Anayi, was destroyed like a moth in the Shaba Agri, in the fire by the curse Munishwaraihi Taihi, by those great sages. meaning when a group of sages approached him to advise him as to the right conduct, he indulged in abusing thee, declaring that there was no other ruler on the earth than himself. The enraged sages cursed him, and in the flame of the curse, Vena was destroyed like a moth. तन्नाशाल खल जनभीरुगैर्मुनीन्द्रैः तन्मात्रा शिरपरिरक्षिते तदङ्गे त्यक्ताखे परिमथितादथोरुदण्डाद् दोर्दण्डे परिमथिते त्वमाविरासीः. Tatnasal, because of his death, the great sages, Khalajana Bhirugaihi Munindraihi, afraid of the wicked elements from his body, Tad Matra Chira Parirachide Tadange, his body was preserved by his mother for a long time. Tekta Ade, that is, they removed the sins. Parimadhidat Ada Urudanda, then by churning his thighs. Then Dordande Parimadide, then the hands were churned. Tvam Avirasit, from there you manifested as Prithu. Meaning, after his destruction, the sages feared that the absence of the ruler and also this would generate evil elements. So they took the body of Vena from his mother, who had preserved it for a long time, and churned the thighs. Thus all evils were removed from the thighs, and his body now became sinless. Then, when his arms were churned, from there you appeared in the form of Prithu. God dwells in all. When the wickedness of a wicked person is removed, God becomes manifest. This is the tattva brought out here. विख्यात पृथ्वी तापसोपदिष्टैः सूदाद्यैः परिणितभाविभूरिवीर्यः वेनार्त्या कबलितसम्पदं धरित्रीम् आक्रान्तां निजधनुषा समामकार्षीः. विख्यातः पृथु इति. He became famous as Prithu. And tapasaha upadishtaihi suda adyaihi, that, and being advised by the great sages and the minstrels and others, parinuta bhavi bhuri vidya, sang in praise of their future achievements. Then Vena Artya, tormented by Vena, Kabalida Sambadam Dharitrim, the earth, who had withdrawn her resources into her interior, Akrandam Nijathanusha, was attacked by Prithu's arrow, Samam Akarshi, and was made even. The earth was made even. Meaning, this was the famous incarnation of thee as Prithu. The sages declared thus. The minstrels and others sang in praise of thy future achievements. Now, the earth, who had withdrawn all her resources into her interior because of the oppression of Vena, was attacked by your bow and arrow and was made to yield back the resources. Srimad Bhagavata, Skanda 4, describes Prithu Sarita. That is the story of Prithu. that goes like this. King Vena, from the lineage of the pious Dhruva, was an evil king who neglected Vedic rituals and who did not respect Dharma. Due to this, sages killed him, leaving the kingdom without any heir and in famine due to the anarchy of Vena. So, the sages churned Vena's body, out of which first appeared a dark dwarf hunter, that is a symbol of Vena's evil. The body was now pure. On further churning, Prithu emerged from the right arm of the dead body of Vena. Due to Vena's anarchy, Mother Earth was hidden. She has hidden food, medicine, all her wealth in her abdomen. Prithu asked Earth to release her wealth for the welfare of humanity. Earth refused and ran away in the form of a cow. Finally, cornered by Prithu, the Earth stated that killing her would mean the end of his subjects too. So, Prithu lowered his weapons and reasoned with the earth and promised her to be her guardian. Finally, Prithu milked her using Swayambhu Manu as a calf and received all vegetation and grain as her milk in his hands for the welfare of humanity. The various means of milking her and the products obtained are explained in Srimad Bhagavata, and in the cover sheet of this video I have tried to append them. By granting life to earth and being her protector, Prithu became the earth's father and she accepted the name Prithvi. However, Manusmriti considers Prithvi as Prithu's wife and not his daughter, and thus suggests that the name Prithvi is the name after her husband. With this five slokas of this chapter 18, Prithu Charitra, is completed. So, to end this video, we will have Vistuti. Bhave bhave yada bhaktihi padayostava jayade tatha kurushva devesha nathastam no yada prabho nama sankirtanam yasya sarva papa pranashanam pranamo dukkha shamana tam namami harim param. Hari Om. If you like this video, please click like and also subscribe to this channel and activate the bell icon. Thank you.